What's going on, and welcome back to another tips and tricks of the trade video. And in this video, we are continuing essentially the sub-series for folding articles of clothing for various types of travel. Now, yes, this video is kind of a little bit more geared towards the military and the travel that a lot of military service members are going to have when it comes to training rotations, deployments, and other things that they may be going to. But this does work for everybody, to include civilians, military, law enforcement, and any travel that you may be doing, and optimizing the space that you have when it comes to everything that you need to pack for whatever travel you got going on. So with that, in this video, we're going to be looking at essentially crew necks and hoodie type of sweatshirts. Right now I just have the crew necks out here, so and these are kind of more towards like unit specific PT tops for cold weather environment type stuff. So but when it comes to having a hoodie, all you're doing is folding the hoodie into the center of the trifold and then rolling everything up just like we did with the shirts. So with that, and without further ado, I'm going to dive right into this when it comes to these guys. That way you guys can see everything that's going on. So with that, you are going to take and need a little bit more material here at the bottom of the sweater, just because of how much more material is going on or being used for these types of tops. So I would take roughly the bottom quarter at a minimum to be able to roll everything up, flatten out, make it nice and neat. And then from there, you're just folding your hoodie or sweater into thirds, especially with these thirds. Or one thing to think about with these thirds is, because there's more material, stack everything nice and neat on itself up here at the top with those long sleeves. And that way, when you roll everything up, it's nice and neat and not taking up too much space. And then if you have the hoodie, like I was saying, you're just going to rotate that all the way over on top of the sleeves or those tri-folds. And then from here, just nice and tight, you're going to roll everything all the way up to the bottom of the shirt. And then you're just grabbing that flap and rolling it, locking that sweater into that nice and neat Ranger rolled sweater. So that's how you roll your sweaters and all that stuff. I've got one more for you here, just that way we can kind of go through it again, get the extra reps, and that way it's just super easy for you guys in the future. So again, bottom quarter at a minimum is folded underneath the sweater. You do your tri-folds on the sleeves and on the sides, left to right, right to left, it doesn't matter, just as long as it's nice and neat. And from there, we're just nice and tightly rolling everything from the top of the sweater or the hoodie down to the bottom, and wrapping that flap over. And then, like the t-shirts and the long sleeve shirts and all of that, you got essentially your hospital corners on both ends, and then you got your flap for your opening and unrolling your shirt. So with that, that is how you Ranger roll or roll a hoodie and or sweatshirt or crew neck. If you got any questions, please feel free and leave a comment. We'll help you out in any way that we can. And with that, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.